I have a lovely, blessed baby here, guys. She's so adorable. She's so precious. She's so sweet.
That's my sister.
Yeah, I'm going to get them.
Excuse me, what I see?
They are admiring my garden.
You can hold this for me, a minute.
Okay, you want to get it?
Yeah.
Okay, are you hold it, okay? Brilliant girl. Good girl.
Look at my tomatoes.
Yeah, your tomatoes.
Look.
Oh yeah, your beautiful tomatoes. Oh my goodness. You're taking some, okay? Good job. You get to do some okra harvesting.
Look this one.
Yeah. Oops, that's so
And
pretty.
this one.
That's so beautiful. We're gonna get that. We got.
I can get one.
I'll give you some. I'll give you one if you want. Are you gonna eat it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Say hello to my friends.
Hello.
I have a lovely, blessed baby here, guys. She's so adorable. She's so precious. She's so sweet.
That's my sister.
Cool.
It's a little one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get them. Guys, her sister is shy, very shy.
Excuse me, what I see?
They are admiring my garden.
You can hold this for me, a minute.
Okay, you want to get it?
Yeah.
Okay, are you sure? Hold this, let me show you. So you need to just come in between. You don't want to touch the stem, you don't want to touch the stem, okay?
Okay.
You're just going to cut this in between, okay? Let me see you.
Like this.
Good girl.
And
I got this for you. Hold it, okay? Brilliant girl. Good girl. Good girl. She did it.
look at my tomatoes.
Yeah, your tomatoes.
Look.
Oh yeah, your beautiful tomatoes. Oh my goodness. You're taking some, okay?
Yeah.
Look what happened to our cantaloupe. We got cantaloupe. Look at what happened, right?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
This is trash.
Yeah, this is trash, but we're going to leave it here as compost.
Yeah. We can leave it that for the plants to get bigger and bigger.
Absolutely, absolutely, darling. You are so smart. Oh my God, you guys. My angel, she hurt her hand. Look at her hand. She was trying to do gardening. Isn't this sweet? I'm sorry, my darling. Oh my God, I am so sorry, sweetie. I'm so sorry, baby. Sorry about that, okay?
Yeah. You gotta do this.
Yeah, let me do this. Yeah. So tell me what you want here. Tell me what you want. What do you want? How many do you want?
I want this one.
Okay. All right. Huh?
I want it. I want it for the eating.
Are you sure you're going to eat? You don't want to waste it.
I'm sure I gotta eat it.
Okay? You can have that, okay? But make sure you tell Mama to slice it and cook it for you.
Put this just like ting, ting, ting.
Let me show you. I'll show you. Mama is going to just chop them. Let me see. I want to make sure it's not hard. So if it's hard, I'm going to give you the soft ones, okay?
Okay.
These seem to be hard.
I can hold your phone for you.
Okay, baby. Thank you. So let's do this. Let's see. Oh, this seems like the hard one. See? You see?
Yeah.
Let's see if this one is soft. Oh yeah, Mama can do this. This is soft. You can grab the soft ones. Oh yeah, this is soft, okay?
Okay.
Oh yeah, this is soft, okay?
That is a lot of salt.
Yeah. So,
This
yes.
one and
This one, yes. Very soft. That one will be very delicious. Okay? Thank you so much for coming to have fun with me. You made my day. Guys, please say lovely things to my lovely angel here. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe, like, and share to your friends and loved ones. Good job. So she wants some basil. I'm going to give her some basil. Come on, baby. Come and have some basil. Kindly give this video a massive thumbs up. Thank you so much. I have some more to give you, okay? The smell, it smells incredible, right?
Yeah. Right here.
Yeah, is that enough?
Yeah, that is
You sure? Yeah, we got some basil and she said this is fine. So you're going to add this to your okra, okay?
okay.
And make a delicious okra stew. Woo, that's so beautiful.
This one and tomatoes.
Yeah.
And
So guys, I quickly ran into my pantry to get something for somebody. So this is what I'm doing and they are outside waiting for me. So I just want to pick up some macaroni and few things around the house. Yeah, this is me sharing the little I have. So this is something you can also do. You can see some people, you don't know that they don't even have something to eat. So if you have anything to share, please don't hesitate to share. We all wear clothes, but we all have different situations that are really bothering us. Aha! This is utazi soup. Do you know utazi soup? We made utazi soup today, guys. Utazi soup is one of the best soup for your stomach. It's very medicinal. I made it with fish, smoked fish, a lot of it, and chicken, stockfish, periwinkle, and I added okazi leaf, utazi leaf, and uziza leaves. The soup is incredible. It's a Owerri soup, and we also make the same soup. So I learnt it from my mother. It's a very delicious soup. Very delicious. Yeah, this is all I did today and many more. I'm making beans also for hobby, and I made chicken. Let me show you chicken. The chickens are ready. These are all the grilled chickens. Yeah, very beautiful, very delicious. I'll show you beans. This soup is good. Like, guys, you need to try this utazi soup recipe. If you're a person watching me, you know what I'm talking about. This soup is the gang. It's a delicious soup. So I'm making beans. I'm making akidi beans. Very, very good for your body. Healthy beans. Okay? I'll allow it to cook until it is ready. I want it very soft.